Hey, this is Shay here, and I wanted to ask you if you've ever seen anybody earning $10 or more per click. And yes, I do actually mean clicks. I know most of the time you've probably heard of people making money online by generating leads or making sales, but have you ever heard of people earning money by just generating clicks? I know, it's quite rare, and there is a high chance you have not heard of it. If you have heard of it, that's awesome, but maybe you haven't actually experienced it for yourself. And in this video, I just wanted to show you some $10 clicks that I've been paid. And you know, the earnings per click, they range a lot, especially depending on the day, the market at the time, or even the niche that you choose to target. But I just wanted to jump in right here to one of the networks that I use to make money online. And I use about 5 or more, but this one is definitely one of the highest earners in terms of RPC, or revenue per click. The amount I'm actually getting paid for clicks. This is one of the highest networks in terms of that. So I'm just going to straight away scroll down here, and I just want to show you some of these clicks. Alright, so as you can see, just on the 1st of September, right here, this is last month. We are currently in October, and I've pushed a lot more traffic to it, and I'm really building it. But this campaign has been running for around 2 years, just consistently making the money it has been making. And right here, I just wanted to show you some of these. On the 7th, alright, so on the 7th of September, right there, we've got a $10.37 click. Alright, and those are clicks, 21 specifically. 21 clicks got paid out at $10.37 each to make 217 that day. We come up to this one here, $10.86 per click, 26 cents to make $282.34. So as you can see, the clicks do range a lot. Some $6, $5, $8, $7, even $3, $9, alright, so it ranges quite a bit. So much so that, you know, some days you'll send less traffic and actually make more that day than other days that you sent a lot more traffic because of just, you know, the RPC, the revenue that you are making for each click. There's a big difference between obviously getting paid $3.45 and say $9.76 per click. And this is all stuff that I teach to my students. And they know how I run these campaigns. But in this video, as I said, I just wanted to show you the front end, the earnings of what these making money for clicks campaigns are actually able to do. Alright, so this was a cool day. On the 14th, sent 168 visitors, 101 of those clicked. That's a 60% click-through rate. I was getting paid $6.25 per click and made $630.89 that day. And if I actually just jump over to this month, and it's the 19th today, so I'll just go next month, 19th, and run that report. And as you can see, we've had up to, if you just look at these few days here, $500, $708 in a day, another $200 a day, and today so far $514.52. I'm certainly expecting that to get up and over the $708 in a day right there. And what I'm willing to do right now is give you the opportunity to see exactly what my students see. And that is the inner workings of a campaign like this, how I'm actually generating the traffic and pushing it to a network like this to make this kind of money. I can show you what I'm doing if you are serious and if you take action right now. And all you have to do to take action right now is click the link at the top of the description. So find that now, find the description and click the little link I put at the top. It'll just be a short bit.ly link just to quickly get you over to my site. And I'm going there right now and I'll show you on my site. Okay, so right here, once you're on my site, all you have to do is enter in your best email address right here. Then just click the Get Instant Access button. That will give you access to my welcome email. Okay, so what you have to do then is just go check your inbox or look for my email in the email address that you just entered in. Go look for that. My welcome email is going to have a bunch of information on what you need to do to get started right now. Everything is in there, so go take action. Do those few things right now to get started today. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll work with you soon.